At ngayon mga wangs, nakatawid na nga kami from Matnog to Allen at nandito na po kami sa market ng Katarman. Ayan, we are going to bus para makasakay na papuntang Calbayog. And tatawid na kami Tambungan to Barangay Bangon, Pagsangan, Western Samar. Kaya kakanta muna tayo ng walang copyright claim. I believe the children are our futures. Teach them well, then let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago and never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, I glaze and live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity.